Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I've created this rainbow cloud kind of look. It looks a bit unicornish in a way. I got inspired by these lovely two amazing talented ladies right here. I will link their Instagrams down below if you want to check them out. But I've never done anything complex like this before, so I really hope I explain this well. Not to mention Gay Pride is cancelled this year, so I thought it'd be really nice to still represent Gay Pride by creating this really fun, crazy look. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I created this rainbow cloud look, then keep on watching. I'm first going to go in with that bright neon pink colour. Yes, it's all like a bright neon pink. I'm going to go in with an angled buffing brush. This is from PS, so I think it's the Primark range. And I'm literally buffing that pink colour in the inner corner and halfway across my crease. I'm not adding any transition colour, so I'm literally just going over it and buffing it out so it looks really smooth and blended. I'm going to take now the light purple colour. See, it's sort of like a very light purple colour. I'm going to grab that on a Freedom angled brush. It's just an angled brush. And I'm going to apply that right on the outer edge and halfway across where it meets that bright neon pink. So I'm just adding that colour and doing exactly the same thing, just adding it and buffing it, as I won't be adding a transition colour. I am then going to go back in with that PS buffing brush, going to just go in with that same pink colour, and I'm just going to blend that colour with the light purple. So I'm blending them both together and buffing them both so they look very smooth on the crease and on the outer edge. I'm now going to start creating the cloud shape. So I'm just taking a little small flat brush with a bit of concealer and I'm going to start drawing the cloud. It's pretty much like half circles. I think that's the best way to describe it. So I'm doing like little bumps shapes. So I'm doing one half circle, another half circle, and another half circle. I'm not going to do a full cloud because I need to leave a gap for where the rainbow wing will go. I'm now going to create that wing. So I'm going to go back in with concealer with that same flat brush. And I'm just going to start filling in a line. So that will be used as a base for the colours to pop. I also have removed the tape because I do want it to look pointy, but I also want to have a little bit of a square end, if that makes any sense. So that way we can get more colours in. I've just now brought the concealer a little bit more underneath my eye, but I will be reapplying the tape so I can make it a little bit sharper at the same time, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to grab the dark purple colour and I'm going to use a Superdrug Studio brush. I think this is just a flat brush. And I'm going to add that purple right where the tape line is. So I'm going to add it all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. I'm then going to grab this beautiful blue turquoise colour on a Real Techniques brush, but this is just a very small flat brush. And I'm just going to add that colour on top of that dark purple, all the way to the top and halfway across my lid. I'm now going to grab that bright yellow colour and grabbing a Real Techniques detail brush. And I'm going to add that colour right on top of that blue and bringing it halfway across my lid. I'm now going to grab that pink and purple shade again. I'm grabbing two brushes. I'm grabbing a Superdrug Studio London brush, which is Superdrug's own brand, and a Makeup Revolution pencil brush. So I'm going to start with the Revolution brush and grabbing that pink colour and blending it on top of that yellow shade. So I'm blending it half across my lid and on the edge of that cloud. I'm pretty much trying to create a gradient with the pink and purple. So we're blending those two colours together just to create a gradient. I'm now going to be grabbing my oldie but a goodie Urban Decay eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Polyester Bride. It's a very white but sparkly eyeshadow. I'm going to grab that on an actual pencil brush. So this is a very old studio brush. And I'm just going to apply that on the higher point of my lid. So I'm not bringing the white all the way down. I'm literally just bringing it up top so we can fill it in and bring the white colour out so it looks a bit more like a cloud and not an outline. And to add a bit more sparkle, I'm going to grab the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Cosmic. And I'm grabbing this on a Revolution flat brush. And I'm just going to go on top of where we applied that Urban Decay Polyester Bride shade. So it just adds a little bit more sparkle because you just can't go wrong with a bit of sparkle. I'm now going to grab the Beauty UK glitter eyeliner. This is in the shade Silver, and I'm going to apply that on the inside of the cloud so it adds a really nice sort of glittery outline. So you can see a bit of the outline, but it's really sparkly and glittery. So it just adds a bit more glitter. So it's any excuse pretty much just to add more glitter, but then you can see the cloud a little bit more in shape. I'm now going to grab the Collection Fast Stroke Eyeliner. This is in the shade White. Now, you can use more of a precision brush if you wanted to, but I just used it straight from the I just used the applicator straight from it. And I'm just creating little dots on top of the pink and the purple. Creating little dots, and I'm creating tiny little stars. So it gives that appearance of like a midnight moon kind of sky. And then once they have dried, I'm then going to go on top of them with the glitter eyeliner again, and just to make the stars a little bit more glittery, sparkly. I'm going to add a white colour to my waterline just to make the eyes pop a bit more. I'm grabbing the Body Shop Duo Eye Definer pencil, and it's got a blue end on one side and a white on the other. Obviously I'm going to take the white side and I'm just going to apply that in my waterline. I'm now going to take the three colours I used on my lid, so the blue, yellow and purple, and I'm going to start by applying them under my lash line. So I'm going to start with the purple, then I'm going to connect that up with the blue, and then I'm going to connect it up with the yellow. And last but not least, I'm just adding Polyester Bride in the inner corners just to make them pop. Apply a little bit of mascara, which is the Benefit Their Real Mascara. And that's it, guys. That is the eye look all complete. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This eye look was so much amazing fun to do because, like I said, I haven't done anything complex like this before, so it was something different and it was something very, very fun. Hope I did explain the tutorial okay. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.